Hello friends. Today I'll show you how to work subscriber login link. Go to the subscriber section. Click on subscriber. Only valid email addresses can be added or updated here. Go to Service Settings and enable SMS or email status. In a new tab, go to Salesperson. Then click Profile Settings. Make sure SMS status or email status is also enabled here. Now go to the Settings menu and check the SMS or email settings. Click the Login Link button and copy the link. Open a new tab and paste the link. An OTP will be sent to the subscriber's Gmail account. Go to the Gmail inbox copy the OTP. Paste or submit the OTP. The subscriber will be logged in automatically. Thanks for watching.